In this session, I'm going to explain about how to prepare one normal hydrochloric acid from the commercially available hydrochloric acid. Usually 37% HCl bottle is commercially available with a density of 1.18 gram per ml. We can see this kind of bottle in most of the laboratories. Here 37% HCl means 37 ml of HCl in 63 ml water solution, that is 100 ml of the solution, or 370 ml HCl in 630 ml water, that is in 1 liter solution. Also, we know the density of HCl, that is 1.18 gram per ml. Now we know the density as well as the volume of HCl. By using these two values, we can determine the mass of HCl. For that, we have to use the formula density is equal to mass by volume. We know the density as well as the volume. Therefore, the mass of HCl in 1 liter is equal to density into volume of HCl. Substitute these two values so that the mass of HCl in 1 liter is equal to 1.18 into 370, and the answer is 436.6 grams. Therefore, the mass of HCl in 1 liter is equal to 436.6 grams. Now we have to calculate the normality of HCl. For that, we have the formula normality of HCl is equal to mass of HCl in 1 liter divided by equivalent mass of HCl. The detailed explanation regarding this formula is already explained in my previous normality video. So here we know the value of mass of HCl in 1 liter, and the equivalent mass of HCl is nothing but 36.5, that is atomic mass of hydrogen, that is 1, plus atomic mass of chlorine, that is 35.5. Therefore, the total is 36.5. Therefore, the normality of HCl is equal to 11.96 normal. Now, use normality equation to determine how many volume of HCl is required to prepare 1000 ml of one normal HCl. And the normality equation is given by N1V1 is equal to N2V2, where N1 is the required normality. Here we want one normal HCl, so the value of N1 is 1. V1 is the required volume. Here we want to prepare 1000 ml of one normal HCl solution. Therefore, the value of V1 is 1000 ml. N2 is the available normality of 37% HCl, and we already calculated this value, and the value of N2 is 11.96. So we have to determine how many ml of HCl we have to take it from the bottle, that is V2. So we want V2. Therefore, this formula becomes V2 is equal to N1V1 divided by N2. Substitute these three values. So V2 is equal to 1 into 1000 divided by 11.96, and the answer is 83.6 ml. That means 83.6 ml of HCl in 916.4 ml of the solution is equal to 1 normal. That means we have to take 83.6 ml of HCl from the bottle and transfer it to the 1000 ml of standard flask. For that, add distilled water until the total volume reaches 1 liter or the 1000 ml. In this way, we get 1000 ml of one normal HCl solution. Similarly, if we want to prepare 100 ml of one normal HCl solution, for that also we have to use the normality equation, that is N1V1 is equal to N2V2. Here N1 is same, that is 1 normal, and the volume is we want 100 ml. Therefore, the volume V1 value is 100 ml, and N2 value is same, that is 11.96. We want V2, therefore the V2 is equal to 1 into 100 divided by 11.96, and the answer is 8.36. Therefore, 8.36 ml of HCl in 91.64 ml of the solution is equal to 1 normal. That means We have to take 8.36 ml of HCl solution in the 100 ml of standard flask. For that, add the distilled water until the total volume reaches 100 ml. In this way, we get 100 ml of one normal HCl solution.